Chameleon, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 error on Mac fix. This error happens because Visual C++ is a Windows-only library, so it cannot run natively on macOS. That's why the game fails to start or shows runtime errors. 1. Important reality. First, understand this. Mac does not support Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, so you cannot directly install VC++ on macOS. The fix depends on how you are running the game. 2. If you are using CrossOver, Wine, Whiskey. Most Mac players use these tools. Fix steps. Open CrossOver, Wine, Whiskey. Go to your game bottles container, install dependencies, vcrun 2015, vcrun 2017, vcrun 2019, or vcrun 2022, all in one. Then restart the container and launch the game again. 3. If you are using Parallels Windows on Mac, then treat it like Windows. Open Windows inside Parallels. Download Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2015 to 2022 package from Microsoft official site. Install both x64 version, x86 version, restart Windows VM. Number 4. If game still doesn't launch, try this. Verify game files, Steam Epic inside Windows layer, reinstall DirectX Runtime, update CrossOver Wine version, switch to a newer Wine engine, important. Pattern 5. Fix missing DLL runtime issues. Inside Wine, CrossOver, open Winetricks, install Core Fonts vcrun 2015-2022, DXVK for better graphics support. 6. Best stable method recommended. If the game still fails, use Parallels Windows ARM instead of Wine.